Welcome to the channel everybody, it's Pocket Rocket Garage and I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but there is content coming on the Classic Mini, so don't worry. In today's video I'm going to head to Stanford Hall Classic Mini Show. I think it's called Mini Fest now. I'm going to go along, see what's about. I went last year and it was really good. The sun's out already, so let's go and take a look, see what's around. I might even check out some binnies because the missus is quite keen in buying a Cooper S. Let's go take a look.
Space frame thing that many I can see from here. This is our loudest exhaust,
Take 20 quid for the exhaust. That looks heavy. Must be exhausting.
just make sure you've got that's 6 years. Second place Tatty minute. And he's had a bit of work. He does. So we encourage somebody to do something. 97.6. I can't believe we're into this because this car is Minteroonie concourse car. This is, and if he lifts the bonnet, it's amazing. But we'll have a Steve. Yeah, go for it, Steve. Side exit exhaust. That's loud. 100 exactly. 100 exactly. .9. 98.8. That is loud though. That is loud.
Okay. Not yet. 98.2 for little
Very
James.
good.
He's close.
Hang on. It's the only exhaust I've seen that actually mows the grass.
99.4.
Okay.
98.9.